Hi guys, how are you today? Back again with me Jimmy Haryanto. Before we continue, you have to click on the subscribe button below and also the bell button. So if I post something, you can immediately wake up. Haha. Okay, enough for the chit chat. Today I want to teach you how to solve your last homework about transformation. Let's begin. Your last homework is from number 6 to number 19 ya. So I begin with number 6. Look at number 6 here. Number 6, the image of P 3,2 by transformation 1, 0, 0, negative 1. So I have point P 3,2. The coordinates is 3,2. And then the matrix is custom matrix G 1, 0, 0, negative 1. Oh, this is not custom ya. If you memorize, it is reflection to the x-axis. Okay, so we have to find the image. What is the image? P accent. Okay, how to find P accent? We draw the chart first. X accent, Y accent, 1, 0, 0, negative 1, and then times with XY, right? Put the XY because we have the XY. Put the XY into the formula. It will become 3 and 2. So you multiply it 3 and negative 2. So the image is 3, negative 2. That's for number 6. And then number 7. Number 7, we have 3 coordinates for A, B, and C reflected by x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, reflect to x minus 3 equals to 0. This is not common form, so we have to change the form into x equals to 3. Okay, so for x equals to 3, the chart will be like this and then this. Okay, there are x equals to 3, so we have to minus 3 right here and then minus 3 right here. X equals to something, the matrix is x, yeah, so negative 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Okay, you have to memorize it. Do not forget that. And then for the A, for point A is negative 2, 1. We put it right here. So x accent minus 3 and y accent equals to negative 1, 0, 0, 1. We put the x is negative 2 and then 1. Okay, calculate it. Equals to negative 1 times negative 5 equals to 5 ya. This is 5 and the bottom is 1. Okay, 5, 1. So the x-accent will be 5 plus 3. X-accent equals to 8 and then the y-accent is still 1. Okay, so a-accent is 8, 1. Okay, now for B. B is 6, negative 4. Okay, rather than B, we should B aja ya. Okay, B is put it right here. So it will become x accent minus 3 and then y accent equals to negative 1, 0, 0, 1. X nya 6, 6 minus 3 is 3 and then y negative 4. The result is negative 3 and negative 4. This is x accent minus 3 and y accent. So I have x accent equals to 0, y accent equals to negative 4. 0, negative 4 for B accent. Okay, we still have to find the C. Okay, so for C is 5, 3. Put it right there. X accent minus 3, y accent equals to negative 1, 0, 0, 1. And then times it with 5 minus 3 and 3. It will become negative 2 and 3 ya. So the x accent will be negative 2 plus 3 equals to 1. Y accent equals to 3. 1, 3. D. Okay, and then number 8, transformation map P to P accent. So I don't have the transformation matrix, so I write like this. We have T transformation, it will become p accent negative 4 comma negative 1. Okay, and then for the second one, q negative 2 comma 3 with the same transformation will produce a q accent negative 3 comma 2. Okay, so we have to find the matrix. Yeah, the chart will be x accent y accent equals to x and y. Okay, matriksnya nggak tahu, jadi kita misalkan A, B, C, D. Okay, so the first one is x accent is negative 4, this one, and y accent is negative 1, equals to A, B, C, D, and then xy nya 1 and 4. Okay, multiply it, negative 4 and negative 1 equals to A plus 4B, this one is C plus 4D. Okay, so I have A plus 4B equals to negative 4, and then I have C plus 4D equals to negative 1. How about this one? Q accent, so negative 3 and 2 equals to A, B, C, D times with negative 2 and 3. Multiply it, negative 3, 2 equals to negative 2A plus 3B, negative 2C plus, benar, plus 3D ya. So I have negative 2A plus 3B equals to negative 3, and the second one is negative 2C plus 3D equals to 2. Okay, now we have to eliminate this and this one. Okay, for this one we times it by 2, this one times by 1. Okay, try it. 2A plus 8B equals to negative 8, negative 2A plus 3B equals to negative 3. We plus it, 11B equals to negative 11, B equals to negative 1. And then we substitute right here, we got A is 0. And then the second one is C plus 4D and negative 2 plus 3D. This times 2 and this times 1. 2C plus 8D equals to negative 2, negative 2C plus 3D equals to 2. Plus it, 11D equals to 0, D equals to 0, C equals to negative 1. Okay, so I have A, B, C, D. So the matrix will be 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0. C. Next is 9. A reflected to y minus x equals to 0 ya. So I have A 4,1 reflected to y minus x equals to 0. It's not a common form of reflection, so we have to write by y equals to x ya, not y minus x equals to 0 but y equals to x. Jadi x nya dipindahin ke kanan. Oke, nah kita harus cari A aksennya berapa. Oke, so the formula will be like this. The matrix for y equals to x is 0, 1, 1, 0, and then put the number, the x and y, 4 and 1, and then multiply it, 1 and 4. So I have x accent and y accent equals to 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4. But that's not the questions. The question is the length of A accent. A accent. The formula is root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. The point will be 4,1 and 1,4. This one is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Okay, put it into the formula. It will be 1 minus 4 square plus 4 minus 1 square, 3 square 9, 3 square 9, root of 18, 3 root 2. B. Okay, next is 10. Number 10, image of A. Let's say that 1,0 is A, and then reflected to line y plus x equals to 1 ya. Y plus x equals to 1. Nah, ini juga bukan bentuk umumnya. Bentuk umumnya itu yang y sama dengan min x tambah 1. Jadi x nya pindahin ke sebelah kanan ya. Y sama dengan min x tambah 1. Oke, ini bentuk yang terakhir, bentuk pencerminan yang terakhir yang y sama dengan mx tambah c. Jadi kita harus tulis dulu m nya adalah min 1. Dapat dari mana min 1? Min 1 tuh ini, gradien itu angka di depan x ya. Kemudian c nya adalah 1. C itu yang nggak punya x nih. Jadi ini gradien yang di depan x, yang plus satunya c. Nah, dari gradien itu rumusnya kita harus pakai tan alfa. Tan alfa sama dengan min 1. Berarti alfanya itu bisa 45. Minus ya. Minus itu bisa di kuadran 2, 135. Atau bisa juga di kuadran 4. Di kuadran 4, 315. Nah, biasanya yang dipakai itu yang angkanya kecil karena nanti ngitungnya lebih gampang. Tapi kalau mau pakai yang besar juga boleh ya. Nah, bagannya gimana? Bagannya x aksen, y aksen minus c equals to the matrix. The matrix is cos to alpha, and then sin to alpha, and then sin to alpha, and then negative cos to alpha. Okay, times it with x and y minus c. Put the number together, minus 1, the c is 1, and then cos 2 times 135. It will become cos 270, sin 270, sin 270, cos 270, negative. Okay, and then the x is 1, the y is 0, c is 1. Okay, so x aksen, y aksen minus 1 equals to cos 270, 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0, times it 1 minus 1. The result will be 1 and negative 1. It's still x aksen, y aksen minus 1. So from this I get x aksen equals to 1 and y aksen equals to 0. 1,0. Yep. Nothing changed ya. The a is 10 and the a aksen is still 10. Nothing changed. Okay, so the answer is E. Okay, 11. 1,2 a 1,2 will give a result of negative 4,2. 4,5. And B, negative 4,2 will give negative 6,10. The matrix is unknown, so we have to find the matrix. Ini sama kayak yang tadi ya. Kita udah pernah bikin. Kalau nggak tahu matrixnya, A, B, C, D aja. Times X and Y. Okay. Put the number. 4, 5 equals to A, B, C, D times 1, 2 times it. 4 equals to A plus 2B, and then 5 equals to C plus 2D. For B, negative 6 and 10 equals to A, B, C, D times negative 4 and 2 times it. Negative 6 equals to negative 4 plus 2B 10 equals to negative 4C plus 2D. So we have to eliminate this and this one. Since we have the same coefficient of B, we can directly eliminate by minus it. Minus 10 equals to 5A. So I have A equals to 2 and then B equals to 1. Okay, so I have A and B right here. Next is C and D. C and D, this one and this one. The coefficient of D is also the same, so we can eliminate directly by minus it. 5 equals to negative 5c. So c equals to negative 1. D will be 3. So the matrix is 2, 1, negative 1, and 3. B. Next is 12. Number 12. Given the image of P, X, Y dilated by K equals to 2, but there are A ya. A itu centernya. So the center we don't know. And then A-nya ada tuh. A-nya 1,2. So the center is A,2. Will give the result of negative 9,2. Okay. So how to do this? We draw the chart first, the formula. So we have x-axis, y-axis right here, and then the matrix, and then xy. Since we have the center, so we have to minus 1 for x and minus 2 for y. Minus 1 for x and minus 2 for y. And then k equals to 2, dilation, k0, 0k, the matrix. We change the k into 2, gitu ya. Oke, kalau udah kita masukin negatif 9 sama 2 nya. Negatif 9 sama 2 nya kan image ya, bayangan. Jadi masukinnya ke sini. Negatif 9 and 2 minus 1 minus 2 equals to 2002 times x minus 1 y minus 2. This one become negative 10 and 0 equals to times it 2x minus 2 and 2y minus 4. 2x minus 2 equals to negative 10. So 2x equals to negative 8, x equals to negative 4. For y, 2y minus 4 equals to 0, 2y equals to 4, y equals to 2. So we have negative 4, 2, E. Okay, number 13, dilation again. So we have P, 4,3 dilated by A. The center is 2,5. K equals to 2. The question is P accent. How to find this? X accent, Y accent, and then the matrix K0, 0K. Okay, and then X and Y. Since we have the center 2,5, we have to minus 2 and minus 5 at X and Y. Okay, good. Next is put the x and y, x-axis, y-axis remain the same, equals to 2002 times x and y. The x is 4, y is 3. The result will be x-axis minus 2, y-axis minus 5 equals to 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So x-axis is 6, y-axis is 1. Yay, easy. 6,1, the p-axis. C. Next is 14. 14, image of triangle ABC. The length of CC accent. Ya, jadi kita nggak usah ngitung semua, ngitungnya cuman C aksen aja. C is 6,6 dilated by K equals to 2. The center is 0, 0, so we don't have to mind that. X accent, Y accent equals to 2002, and then X and Y. Okay, put the X and Y, 6 and 6 times it, 12 and 12. So we have C accent equals to 12,12. The question wants we to find the length of CC accent. Root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, put the number. x2 is 12 minus x1 is 6 square plus 12 minus 6 square. The result will be 6 square 36, 6 square 36, root of 72, 6 root 2. D, easy. Next is 15. 15, we have point P. Let's say it's P. negative 4,6 dilated by center 0 0, and then the k is 5k minus 1. The result is negative 6,9. Okay, put into the formula. X-axis, Y-axis, no center, K0, 0K ya. K0, 0K, the matrix, and then times with XY. Put the X-axis and Y-axis. X-axis, negative 6, Y-axis, 9. And then we have to put the X and Y also, negative 4 and 6. Okay, times it, negative 6 and 9 equals to, times with negative 4, negative 20k plus 4, 30k minus 6. Choose one of them. I choose the top one, negative 20k plus 4, negative 10 equals to negative 20k, so I have k equals to half. The question is k. K is half. Easy. Next is 16. 16 triangle ABC is dilated by center 0 0, scale factor negative 2. The ratio of area. The ratio of area. Okay, so we have to find the area of ABC. Yeah. For this one, we have two ways, the short way and the long way. The long way is you have to find A accent, B accent, and then C accent, and then you have to find the area. Okay, the short way we only have to find the area of ABC only. Yeah, so we don't have to find A accent, B accent, and C accent. Let's draw it first. 1,1 is right here, 5,1 is right here, and then 1,4 is right here. Okay, this is 4, this is 1, this is 1, this is 5. The triangle is like this, right triangle. Okay, so we can find the area of the right triangle. Half times base times height. Half times base. The base is this one, from 1 to 5 equals to 4, and then the height is this one, from 1 to 4 it's 3. So I have the area will be 6 unit square. Sorry, square units ya, terbalik. Square units. Okay, so I have the area of the original. Now I have to find the area of the image ya. Dilated. What is the mean of dilated? Enlarged. Okay, enlarged by how much? Negative 2. Negative 2 means 2 times. 2 times. If the triangle is dilated 2 times, so the area will be 6 times 2 square. Okay, why square? Because the 2 right here, 2 is only to enlarge the sides. The sides pertamanya itu 4 nih kan. Untuk yang ini 3 aja, nih 3. Kalau pertamanya 3 lengthnya, scale faktornya 2, ya tinggal dikali 2 jadinya 6. Kalau yang ini tadinya 4, di scale factor 2 diperbesar 2 kali lipat, itu berarti menjadi 8. Nah, jadi kita punya length yang baru. Length yang baru adalah 6 dan 8. Coba kita hitung manual lagi ya. Setengah kali 8 kali 6, 24. Ini juga hasilnya sama, 24 tuh ya. Jadi kamu boleh langsung kaliin sama scale kuadrat. Kalau kamu ingat lagi, ini ada di pelajaran SMP. Di SMP yang kesebangunan. Kesebangunan ada kesebangunan panjang, ada kesebangunan luas kan. Kalau kesebangunan luas, perbandingannya tuh harus dikuadratin. Makanya ini scale faktornya dikuadratin. Oke? Jadi jawabannya 24. Aduh, yang ditanya cuma perbandingan ya. Perbandingannya ya berarti 6 banding 24. 1 banding 4. Sebenarnya kalau tanya perbandingan langsung aja 1 banding K kuadrat gitu. 1 banding 2 kuadrat sama dengan 1 banding 4. Tuh, sama aja ya. Oke, itu buat nomor 16. 17 selanjutnya ada A and B dilated by negative 1. Okay, we have to find A accent first and then B accent. A in the bracket negative 2,0 divided by K equals to negative 1. Okay, I have a little trick right here. Ini tinggal kaliin aja sebenarnya. Kaliin min 1, jadinya berapa? 2,0. Shh, don't tell anyone, okay? It's our little secret. Okay, and then B 0,4. K equals to negative 1 also. So B accent will be 0, negative 4. Good job, guys. Now I have to draw A, B, A accent, B accent. Okay, A, B. A negative 2,0. And then B is 0,4. And then B accent 0, negative 4. And then A accent 2,0. Oh, it's a rhombus ya. Diagonal 1. The diagonal 1 is 4. Diagonal 2 is 8. So the area will be area equals to diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 over 2. 4 times 8 over 2 equals to 16, guys. E. Dan 18. Nah, 18 kemarin ada yang protes, beberapa anak katanya nggak ada jawaban ya. Coba kita cek benar atau enggak. A,34. Terus dia di transformnya itu pakai formula ini. X aksen sama dengan 5x plus 3y. This is considered as a random transformation ya. Negative 4x plus 4y. Okay. Follow the rules. We have the A accent. A accentnya A accentnya berarti si 3-nya masukin sini, si 4-nya masukin sini. Nah, jadinya berapa? 5 kali 3, 15. 15 tambah 12, 27 ya. Koma. Terus masukin lagi ke yang Y aksen. Y aksennya masukin sini. Salah. Masukin sini. Sama masukin sini. Jadinya berapa? Negatif 4 kali 3 min 12. Min 12 tambah 16, 4. 27,4. Ada ya. Kalau B nya gimana? B nya kita punya min 4,3. Masukin dulu ke X aksen sama dengan 5X tambah 3Y. Berarti X aksennya sama dengan 5 kali min 4 min 20 tambah 9. Itu berarti X aksennya sama dengan min 11. Nah, terus Y aksennya. Y aksennya adalah min 4X tambah 4Y. Berarti 16 ditambah 12. Jadi hasilnya 28. Min 11,28. Oke, berarti yang B aksennya yang salah ya. Aksennya sih dapat. Next guys, number 19 we have ABC by random matrix A accent B accent. Okay, so we have to find A accent first. A accent is, oh no, we cannot do this. Write the formula first. X accent, Y accent. The matrix is 1, 1, 0, 2. And then times it with X and Y. Let's start with A. A will be X accent, Y accent equals to 1, 1, 0, 2 times with 1, 0. Times it 1, 0. Okay, so we have A accent. And then for B accent is X accent, Y accent equals to 1, 1, 0, 2 times 5, 0. Times it 5, 0. B accent equals to 5, 0 ya. Okay. And then for C accent, C X and Y equals to 1, 1, 0, 2 times with 4 and 4. Times it again. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8. So we have C accent 8,8. Okay, the question wants me to find the area for this we can draw 1, 0 is right here, then 5, 0 is right here, 8, is right here. Okay, so the triangle is obtuse. Okay, the base is, this is 1, this is 5, and this is 8. Okay, the base is 4, so area equals to half times base times height, 16e. Okay, we are done. But before I finish this lesson, I want to give you another secret. Another secret for another trick for finding area of triangle if the 3 vertices is given. Okay, so how to find it? We can use area equals to, okay, we can use the method of like similar to determinant, yeah. So we write 1, 0 right here because A is 1, 0, and then we write the B 5, 0 right here, and then we write the C 8 and 8, and then we have to copy the first column 1, 0, and then we calculate similar to determinant, ya. Do you remember the determinant? This times this, this times this, this times this. Okay, times it berapa? 0, 40, 0. Okay, and then minus the green one. This times this, this times this, this times this. Okay, minus 0 plus 0 plus 8. And then minus it will become 32, right? Nah, because we use this method, itu di depannya ada setengah ya, jadi harus kali setengah, jadi hasilnya 16. Tuh, sama kan? It's way faster. Okay guys, that's it for today. We will continue our transformation at the next video. The next video will be the last part of transformation, so you have to watch it carefully. After that, we will have a test, maybe, if the time is enough. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and the bell. Okay, I have giveaway for you guys. Bye bye.